Julia Elise. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hey, what's up? My name is Julia Elise. I would love it so very much if you stuck around by subscribing. I post new videos every week and I have so many exciting things coming this summer that I don't want you to miss out on, so don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Seriously, you won't forget. So today I wanted to bring you guys an everyday summer makeup routine. I wanted to get ready for filming on camera because it had to happen anyway, so I figured why not film it. It's really exciting because one of my first videos on this channel was actually a everyday summer makeup routine. It actually got demonetized because I used copyrighted music, but I'm wiser now, you know, things are different. So this is the look that I will do if I'm getting ready to film, if I'm going out with friends. Actually during the summer, I either have my makeup like this or I have nothing at all. And I also will go in depth explaining my lash extension situation and how I do it myself. If you want to get ready to film with me, just keep on watching. Before we get into the video, I wanted to do a little bit of a jewelry unboxing. I figured that the perfect time to reveal my new favorite ring would be in a makeup video because I'd be using my hands a lot. I took it off my finger to unbox it for you guys because I wanted to show you guys the packaging it came in. But today I'm partnering with Legerio, not sponsored. I just wanted to collaborate with them because they have the most beautiful rings ever. So yeah, I will list the coupon code for you guys right here, and I will link this product along with all the other makeup products down in the description. My ring came in this gorgeous packaging. It has 2 drawers and my ring is in this gorgeous box. And then the second one is just like a jewelry bag, so if you're giving it as a gift. I have been seeing these rings everywhere and I just thought they were so gorgeous, and I was so excited when Legerio reached out to me and wanted to collaborate because let me just show you guys. I ordered a size 7 because I really wanted to put it on my middle finger, and I just feel so gorgeous and glam when I wear it, so I really wanted to debut it in this video because I'll be touching my face a lot. So I just wanted to talk about that with you guys before we got into the video because I know I'd probably get a ton of questions asking about this ring. Okay, now time for the makeup. First, I want to start off by priming my face, and I've yet to find a primer that does everything for me. If you have any recommendations, comment down below, but I've been using the Cover FX Illuminating Primer in conjunction with the Professional Primer, my tried and true. I just have found that this makes the makeup look too flat, so I've been mixing it with the Cover FX, and I've gotten the desired finish on my face, about that much, and just mix them together, and it really makes the perfect primer in my opinion. So I just kind of slap that on my face and just use what God gave me. And so on days that I'm not filming, I will use a beauty blender because I feel like it gives me a more natural finish on my face, more dewy, just all around more natural. But when I'm gonna be on camera, the last thing I really care about is being natural. Like, I'm just being honest with you guys. So I am going to use my Morphe, this doesn't have a name, but this Morphe foundation brush. I love this brush. It's soft, but it's hard enough that it really just gets the foundation on my face. And for foundation today, and pretty much every day, I use the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. It's a medium to full coverage foundation. Highly recommend. I think it's really great for everyday wear, but you can build it up to have a really good formal look as well. Put a little bit on and just go into with it, you know, all that stuff. We'll go in circular motions and then use a stippling motion as well, and I found that this color stand really matches my self tan. This feels really weird to be wearing foundation because I haven't worn foundation in about 5 days. What I've been using is just self tanner on my face, not my normal tanning film, but I've been using the Bondi Sands gradual self tanner just like on my face, and it has been amazing. My face has been so soft, my skin's been the best it's been all freaking spring and winter. Go in with my concealer. I've never tried Tarte Shape Tape. I've always stuck to the Maybelline Insta Age Rewind concealer. I think I could actually go way darker now. This is actually one of the darkest shades they have, and it's very light, but the only varying of this look is that sometimes I again will use a beauty blender if I am just, you know, going about my everyday. Like if I was going out for drinks or whatever, I would probably use a beauty blender, but since I am filming today, I just feel like the brush definitely absorbs less product, aka I feel like I get better coverage. You know what the next step is. It's time to bake, and I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Build up under my eyes. I usually don't bake unless I am filming because I really want my makeup to last a good chunk of time. And then I will honestly take more on this foundation brush and just pack on excess powder onto my face. Sometimes I'll use like a fluffier brush. I do have some lash extensions on right now. I don't use permanent glue anymore because it started damaging my eyelashes, so I just use regular glue. We'll talk about that later, but I figured I would address the elephant in the room because, let's be real, I don't look like this without lashes. I look like a little 13-year-old boy. And it's time to bronze my face. And today, I'm actually gonna bust out one of my newer kits. I have the Sephora Favorites Sun Kissed Glow Palette. I got this on such a good deal. I'm so obsessed with it. I've been loving to use all of these products, and I got a few full-size products. I have used this bronzer before, but I'm going to be going in with a Tarte Amazonian Clay waterproof bronzer because, again, I need long-lasting bronzer. And I'm going in with my gorgeous sparkly IT Cosmetics bronzing brush, and this has a really subtle shimmer to it, which looks really good on camera in my opinion. No really rhyme or reason, I just kind of bronze up my face, onto my neck a little. This is not going to be the contour because your girl needs to contour. Also, I want you guys to comment down below what you think of this filming setup. I kind of just threw some of my decorations into my kitchen. Like, I'm literally in my kitchen, desk, living room. It's an apartment. It's not a house. What can I tell you? I'm moving out soon, so I'm just trying to figure out what works best while I'm trying to sell some furniture, and yeah, just like let me know what you think. For my actual contour, I'm going to be using the Benefit Hoola Bronzer. I'm just going in with the Morphe contour brush. I actually think it's a blush brush, but it works. It works. And you know. And then I'll just go ahead and take this really cute unicorn brush. I think I got it off Amazon, and just wipe away the baking because we're not trying to get burnt here. We're just trying to be baked just right. It's time to add some more color back to the face. I'm going to be using the Physicians Formula Butter Blush. It smells amazing. Between a blush and a highlight, it's amazing. It's amazing. I'm still gonna highlight as well, but I got Morphe brushes for Christmas if you haven't caught on to that. I am rolling in Morphe brushes, but just using the Morphe blush brush and generously blushing my face. Love it. I think it is so cute. And to be honest, I haven't decided about what highlight I'm gonna use yet, so we're gonna move on to eyeshadow. Up close and personal with y'all. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of my concealer and apply that to my eyelids as a little bit of a primer, because what is eyeshadow primer anymore, guys? I think I'm going to be using my little Morphe palette. It is so gorgeous. It has 9 gorgeous colors, and I'm just so obsessed. I've been using this literally nonstop since I got it. So I'm going to be first taking my unicorn blending brush, and I'm going to take this color called Rock Out. Guys, I'm not a beauty guru. I've been told multiple times that I'm not a beauty guru. I know, okay, I know. And this looks very red on my lid right now, but don't worry, we're gonna add some more browns. We good, it's not gonna be completely red. I really love the way like an orangey shadow looks on blue eyes. I just think it's really pretty. But then I'm gonna go in with my Jaclyn Hill palette and go in with like a little bit less red of a color, so kind of like one of these like clay colors. I also like, I love Jaclyn Hill. I'm obviously so obsessed with her, but I wish she named her shadows. Like, why the heck did she not name them? Wanted to do a Q&A, but I didn't want to do it during this because I need to focus during my makeup. I'm not blessed at being good at makeup. Like, you guys always let me know in the comments that I'm not, so I definitely can't be answering questions while doing my shadow. And usually that's about it for the crease, but since I'm filming today, I'm gonna go in the Jaclyn Hill palette with like this really pretty like dark chocolate brown color, and take my Naked 2 palette brush and just kind of deepen the crease. Actually don't know why I'm doing my eyeshadow after my face. I actually always do it first. So in this palette, I'm gonna go in with this really, really pretty champagne color and literally just throw that on my finger and work it onto my lid. Wow, I put way too much on my finger. Guys, help! It can be done. It may not look great, but it can be done, folks. And then I'll go in with Jacqueline's lightest color in her palette, the white shade, and just dump some of that in the crease. And I literally think that makes the look so much better. Okay, so for my brows, nothing has really changed except for the pencil. I think I use a different pencil than I used to. It is the Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefit, and then the NYX Brow Mascara. My routine is the same. I suck at brows. I was telling my friend the other day, I was like, nobody has ever said, wow, your brows look nice. Like, I've never gotten a compliment on my brows just because it's just not something I'm good at. Again, I don't think they look outrageously terrible. I just stopped paying to get them done, and they're just there, you know? My mom, when she was like all on drugs from chemo, was like, you have bushy eyebrows. I'm like, thanks, Mom. She later told me she didn't mean it, but I feel like she kind of meant it. So then I go in with liquid liner. That is the most important step in my like lash extensions, and I can do a whole video on how to do them. I'm totally going to do them off camera today because this video is already like 4 million minutes long and I have so many other videos to film. But I'm gonna put my liquid eyeliner on right now. It is honestly, it's the L'Oreal Linear Intense. I've been using this literally since 7th grade and I'm 22 years old now, so. I just do it. I do it to hide the band of the lash trios because they're not discreet in the slightest. And that's okay. Perfect. For the lashes, if you want to see a full tutorial, I will actually like wipe my lash extensions clean and I will do a tutorial, but I'm just going to tell you the product I use. I use the Ardell Lash Trios. They're just a clump of 3 lashes together. I absolutely love them, and what I do is I use eyelash glue. I use just the Kiss Lash Adhesive. It is for sensitive skin. So I'm going to turn the camera off and do my lashes real quick, and again, if you want to see a full tutorial on how I do those, leave a comment down below. So as you can see, they're just a little bit fuller, and then I'll just go in with some bottom mascara. I just use the L'Oreal Butterfly Effect Mascara. Don't love it, don't hate it, just have it. If I know that I'll be taking my lash extensions off shortly, I'll just blend together my natural lashes with the lash extension. I'm going to use the Ciate London Dewy Stick. It's a really great base for the highlight. I actually wish I put that on before I powdered my face, but it's totally fine. It still works. And put some on my hand and then just dab it on any places that look a little too matte. A really good starting point for your highlight. Like, as you can see, it looks really pretty. Sometimes I'll literally just wear this on its own and with like some concealer and mascara, and I'll be good to go because it is just so pretty and it has the consistency of like a balm. Go in with the Laura Mercier highlight in the color Radiant. And then what I do is I take the Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray and just go in and set that so it doesn't budge, and I just get an extra glow. I really like to look as glowy as possible on camera, and once that's in place, I'll spray my whole face with this illuminating setting spray. I will still go in with my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray because it's a necessity. So once that's all dry, I'll then do my lips. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, if I wasn't filming, I truthfully would not use any lip products because I hate the feel of lipstick, but for the sake of today, I'm going to go in with the MAC lip liner in the color Subculture. It's super pretty. Just line my lips. I'm definitely gonna do a gloss on top of this because it's quite boring on its own. Finally, I'm going to be putting a gloss on, and I'll be using the Pirates of the Caribbean, and it's in collaboration with Lorac. Again, not sure. It's a really, really gorgeous lip color, and when I'm filming, my lips sometimes get lost. Like, I'm wearing just that nude lip liner, and I look like it's in the color Trident. Okay, you guys, so that is it for my everyday summer makeup routine slash get ready with me to film. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you want a tutorial on anything else that I talked about in this video, like my hair or my lashes, leave a comment down below. I love hearing your suggestions, and I really do listen to them, so please feel free to comment anything you want, especially video suggestions. I would love it. If you enjoyed this video and you're not already subscribed, I feel like at this point, if you're still watching, you might as well just subscribe, so I'll give you a second. Did you do it? I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you have a great day, an even better week. Enjoy your summer, guys, and I'll catch up with y'all later.
Just keep on doing what you do, doing